I'm John Cohen, and this is My Tech. For anyone who's been following this channel for a little while, you may know the brand Catalyst. It is one of my favorite brands. And like the iPhone 11, 12, 13, 14, Catalyst also offers a case for the iPhone 15. 15, 15 Plus, 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max. All of the models that Apple offers, Catalyst offers a case that goes with it. Inside the case lineup, we have two choices we're going to look at today: the Total Protection and the Influence case. They are a little bit different and have a different audience that they're aimed at, and we'll sort of dive into each of them and see which one is the right one for you. Starting with the Total Protection case, this is a case that does great stuff. It is meant for those rugged, active users, especially if you're going to go in the water with your phone. This one will give you a 33-foot depth of usage. So that means you could take the phone down 33 feet. So obviously you're not going to dive with it, but perhaps for snorkeling or something like that, it's a great idea. The way that is accomplished is by using a protective film in both the front and the back of the phone, and that way it has a great seal, so it gives you extra protection when you go in the water with it. But that seal doesn't just stop you for the water, it also means stuff like dust and debris doesn't get inside the phone also, so when you're on land you can continue to use this in some of the more harsher environments. Of course, it's fully compatible with Face ID, all the buttons are still accessible, the camera is still usable, you don't get any problems with the camera, plus it doesn't stop the 5G signal, it's still got wireless charging, so you have all the features that you'd get on your normal iPhone 15 or 15 Pro, and you get extra protection, including extra drop protection. That means if you tend to drop this phone a little bit more often, then this case might be the best case you can get. Included in every Catalyst case is the lanyard, and these lanyards can support up to 10 kilograms of weight. So it's really a lot of weight, 22 pounds on a lanyard. Unlikely that you'll ever get to 22 pounds, but in case you do, you know it's going to work. Moving on to the Influence line. As you can see, this is the one with the black color. Comes in different colors just so you know, so you can pick the color that's right for you. It is a beautiful looking case, and just like the Total Protection case, all the buttons and Face ID and all that stuff is perfectly accessible to you. You've got the cutout for the action button, and on the back here it's got a little bit of a raised camera bump. And what's different with this one is it actually has 4 spots. Each of the corners can actually handle either a lanyard or an accessory that Catalyst offers, including the crossbody case, which means, or crossbody strap I should say, which means that you can actually use this with a crossbody. Of course, it's got the non-slip grip on the side here, so it's very easy to hold. And when you put it into your phone, it looks really good together. So I'll just toss my phone into here. And as you can see, it looks great. Fully MagSafe compatible, fully 5G compatible, and of course, it's got your lanyard again. Now, one of the other things that's really interesting about the Influence line is that these got these 2 little pieces here in the front. Let me see if I can bring this a little closer up to you and see if you can see the spot. It's got those 2 little holes right in the front. And what those 2 holes do is it gives you an enhanced sound. So you get 30% louder volume, so whether it be music or on a phone call, it sounds better. And that's a real game changer for a lot of people, especially if you're in a noisy environment, or maybe you're just a senior and you're losing your hearing. Either way, it is a great solution. I've been a fan of Catalyst cases for many years. Obviously, there's a lot of case manufacturers on the market, and each of them have their benefits and their features. I will put a full description below, and you can see if this is the right product for you. This is John. Here's a couple other videos that you might like, and feel free to subscribe.